Hello, singing taxi driver travels here. How are you doing?
This is your chance.
Don't know if you can see, but I've got passenger in the middle there.
If you take charge this morning, what would you
There he is. Oh, sweet, me cat. It's been to have his injections done. His arthritis injections because he's an old man. He's just sitting chilled on the seat there.
My dad.
Already, what's your dad's name?
Not working today, but sometimes you got to do your errands and your family duties.
He's an engineer. That's all we need to know. Good morning, Alistair. Is that you?
Really humid and clammy today, like 24 degrees, and it's only like 9:30.
Nervous. It sounds to me that Naomi is kind of just as cool as a cucumber. It sounds like this is not taking the piss out of her. Would I be right?
Yeah, she's cool. Yeah, she's like England on the third day.
Okay, she's like England.
Seagull, oh, they're after that bit of bread.
Give us all hope, and then. So I'm assuming you're a cricket fan, Alistair?
Yeah, love it. Yeah, I'm going to be tuning into TMS today.
Good lad. So if Naomi wins today, she wants to take control of the family diary and stick in a visit to a theme park, obviously.
Oh,
If she loses, there has to be.
green lights will
What's
do
that going to
it.
be?
Well, it's quite simple, right? It's the chores. It's take control of the dishwasher.
And how long would you like her to take control of the dishwasher for?
We were debating this. What equals a theme park? I think it's somewhere between a week and a month.
Really?
Is that too much?
I mean, hang on, let's get Naomi back on here. Naomi, how do you feel about this?
You alright, sweet?
You feel a bit cool? You're fine.
No, it's cruel.
Oh, it's cruel. Sorry, I thought you were cool with that. I was going, you really are cool as a cucumber.
You like sitting in the back, don't you, son?
If we're going to set a figure on this, is it dishwasher for a week or dishwasher for a month, Naomi?
A week.
Okay, we're going for a week.
Right, we'll have to settle with that.
Okay, we're going to settle with that, Alistair. Here's the deal. If Naomi wins, she gets to take control of the diary and go to the theme park. If she loses, it's the dishwasher loading for a week. It's Naomi versus...
It was raining this morning.
It's kids take charge.
Bits and bobs. I think it's thundery showers today.
Here's how it works. You're both going to get 3 questions on each other's specialist subject. Naomi, the subject we're going to be asking your dad about is one of your favourites, Disney characters. Alistair, how's the Disney knowledge, Alistair?
It is poor.
Yeah, he's got a good full bill of health, he's fine.
This is exactly what we need.
Sweet, the cat.
Naomi, the subject your dad has chosen for you is UK.
His weight's fine. His joints aren't too bad. His heart and his chest is okay. Okay. I think he's going to go and lie under his favourite table this morning.
UK geography knowledge, Naomi, not so
In the
great.
back garden.
No, it's alright. Geography is my favourite subject.
Finish this. No.
Good time to go at the vets this morning, 9 o'clock, 9:15, because the roads are quiet.
Let's play Kids Take Charge. Question 1 for Naomi. On Dad's chosen subject, UK geography. Which of these cities is furthest north, Naomi? Is it A, Newcastle? Is it B, Exeter? Or is it C, Manchester?
Newcastle.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. I can tell you that is. It's the correct answer. You're 1 up. Alistair, to bring it back to 1-all, Disney characters. Emperor Cuzco turns into what animal in the Emperor's New Groove? Is it A, a cat? Is it B, a llama? Or is it C, a sphinx?
I've no idea. I'm going to say,
You going for what? Which one? You went for cat.
It's cat. I was going for cat.
You're going for cat. You broke up a little bit there. Thank the Lord we got you back and got that answer out of you, because that answer is... It's wrong. Okay, Naomi is 1 up to go 2-0 up. Which is the highest mountain in the UK, Naomi? Is it A, Ben Fuji? Is it B, Ben
work's like this at work.
Okay, you need this. Alistair to stay in the game. You're ready 2-0 up. In Frozen, what is Sven? Is Sven A, a reindeer, B, a snowman, or C, a prince?
Okay, well, this Frozen was in our house forever, so it's the reindeer.
To make it 2-1, I can tell you it is. Correct answer. Naomi.
Come on.
Come on! Naomi. Third round, if you get this one right, you are 3-1 up and you can't be caught. You're taking charge.
So I'm listening to these questions.
Which of these is an iconic landmark in Dorset? A, Dumbledore. B, Durdle Door. C, shut that door. Oh, she's thinking about this.
Dairy door.
We're going for Durdle Door.
Yeah, she's good. She
Yeah.
googled it.
For the win. I can tell you that Durdle Door is the correct answer.
Oh,
Kids, take charge. Final scores. Dan, Alistair, you have won. Naomi,
She's thinking about it. No, she's googling
take
it.
charge, Naomi. You are off to the theme park. How do you feel?
Oh, work starts here 17th of July for 5 weeks. Oh, goody sweet.
Great, it's great.
so much emotion.
Black eyed boy.
Yeah, you're just letting it all out there.
You
Naomi.
will
Just rinse my
find
dad on the radio. How do you feel? Yes.
more places to say.
You know, got the rest of the morning to do some other things. Alistair, how does it feel to be so casually beaten by someone that just doesn't care?
Yeah, I'm destroyed. I mean, I'm just going to load the dishwasher.
Okay, he's off to load the dishwasher. Here's hoping the cricket coached your way, Alistair. Things work out a little bit better than the to compete. And next week he gives a shout 85058. Still to come, we're going to be catching up with comedian and impressionist Luke Kempner. That is all after the latest news and sport here on 5 Live.
Listen on BBC Sounds. This is BBC Radio 5 Live.
Good morning, it's 9:30. I'm Nick Hadfield. President Biden insists it was a difficult but necessary decision to revive Ukraine with cluster bombs, which can be a risk to civilians.
Yeah, I had a canny day at work yesterday.
Renegades evacuation
It was quietish on. I didn't start at 10 o'clock. Having to. The kids have been off school on their school's on strike. You're sitting up there, sweep. Hey? Well, they picked up as the day went on. I worked till about 6 o'clock on the dot to make up for a little bit of lost time. And it'll be not too bad. Just the traffic was just horrendous last night again. Well, especially afternoon and Friday, should I say. Just where all the roadworks and road closures in town.
Nick, thank you very much indeed.
We're going to chill out and listen to the cricket today.
Yesterday, his bowlers provided crucial late wickets as England desperately battled to keep their precious hopes alive on day 2 of the third test at Headingley in an innings reminiscent of his famous knock on the same ground 4 years ago. A crucial 80 from Stokes dragged his side from 142 for 7 to 237 all out before Australia slipped to 116 for 4. That's the score that they will resume on this morning. It's a lead of 142. Spinner Moeen Ali knows how important this morning's first session will be in Leeds.
We just hung in there for a while, and then the wickets came in, or 2 or 3 wickets came in one go, and we're in all of a sudden a very good position. But obviously
Organise where you are, Sweep.
To reach the last 16.
Nearly home.
Move closer to an 8th men's singles Wimbledon title. Djokovic won 6-3, 6-1, 7-6 in a match.
Don't worry, there's nothing to pay. Meter's not on for you.
Cut off. He says that he isn't thinking about breaking more records just yet, though.
At the kids' football tournament this morning in the big field.
I just need to focus all my attention and mental and physical and emotional energy into the next match.
Good luck to them today.
Most out of the recovery day, work on certain things with my team. Obviously, I can always play better. I know I always have a couple of gears in me that I can go higher. So hopefully, as the tournament progresses, I'll keep on playing better and better.
No Brits in the men's singles left, of course, as we know. Andy Murray, Cam Norrie, and Liam Brown.
It was a nightmare for Wimbledon yesterday. 3 Britons got knocked out. Cameron Norrie, Ruddy got knocked out, and Andy Murray.
Remaining Britain in the singles draw. She's last on today on centre, up against the defending champion Elena Rybakina. Now, this is a nice one for those with high hopes of footballing success for the future for England's national side. Their under-21s take on Spain this evening.
They are. It's not on the bloody telly anywhere. It's disgusting.
1984, England, who were ranked 6th coming into the competition, are yet to concede a goal in Georgia. Their head coach is Lee Carsley.
I'd love to see this group finish off this campaign with winning something because they deserve it. They work so hard. I mean, they're so determined and so diligent in the way that they prepare them. You know, they deserve it.
We'll keep you updated in 5 Live Sport later, of course. At the Tour de France, it was almost a record-breaking day for Mark Cavendish with the finish line of the 7th stage in sight. The British rider made his move, attacking forward, and he looked on course for victory as the PA system is being tested here on centre court. A record 35th stage win yesterday was denied, though, for Cavendish. Jasper Philipsen had other ideas of Cavendish trying to break that record. The Belgian snatched his 3rd stage win of this year's Tour. Defending champion Jonas Vingegaard retained the overall leaders in yellow jersey. And the opening day of the British Grand Prix weekend.
That's sweetness. I'm just going to get a cheese pasty. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Words matter. Words have consequences.
Not getting out yet. I'm just going to the butcher's. I'll leave the air conditioner on for you.
Most impactful artist of our generation. With the trouble with Kanye on BBC iPlayer. How did one of America's most celebrated artists become a megaphone for hate and division? And the Kanye story on BBC Sounds. The slavery comment really hurt me. If that trust is broken, it's hard to repair. Watch an iPlayer, listen on BBC Sounds.
Saturday morning with Patrick Kinsey.
Oh, I love that so much. James trying to do the sport at Wimbledon while the fire alarm was going off there. You see, that's what happens, James, when you come on air and you say that I was maybe at Wimbledon yesterday and I maybe slightly overcooked it. That's the karma gods. The karma gods coming your way. We have comedian and impressionist Luke Kempner. He's in the studio. We're going to be chatting to him in just a second. Adele on the text says, I'm heading home from Macro with 100 tubs of kinetic sand for the school fete after what you were saying earlier on there, Paddy. It's not a look. I mean, it's not a look. We had kinetic sand in the Cocoa Pops this morning.
Kinetic sand?
Kinetic sand.
How did you manage that?
I mean, I came down and the 5 and the 7-year-old just thought that would be a good mix.
Sand? I think it
Hey.
should have sand.
Come on then. Well, the butcher noticed you.
It's Silverstone, Wally.
Hey. You're going to go in the back seat because I'm moving again?
It's quality. It's quality. Yeah, quality.
Got my 16-year-old son and his girlfriend. I'm a die-hard Mercedes fan. They're insisting that I buy.
You know we're home, don't you?
Hats. Is it okay to lose them in the crowd?
Oh, that's pricey as well, those hats.
They're pricey. Just
He digs his claws into the seat when we turn the corner.
Like, you know, I love the fact that Andy thinks that they want to hang around with him to start with.
That's no chance. Of course they're going to. You'll see them tonight, mate. Yeah.
You'll see them tonight. Give us a shout. Keep them coming, folks. 85058 or email patrick@bbc.co.uk.
That's us back at home.
There's only one thing I'm interested in.
I mean, I would have said that you should have been a little bit better at it, fella. See, it's a little bit nearer your accent.
See you later. Happy weekend, folks.